Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a question from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry, in which we are going to find the heights and distances using the values of trigonometric ratios for specific angles. So here is a question. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 60 degree and 45 degrees respectively. Find the height of the transmission tower. So here actually what is given, children? Here there is a building of 20-meter height, that is BC in the figure. BC is the building and on top of it is AB, that is the transmission tower. We are going to find the height of that tower using the height of the building 20 meter and the angle of elevations of top and bottom of the tower, that is 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. So I hope the question is clear to everyone. Let us go to the solution now. As I have shown the first page, there is a question where we have to find the height of a tower which is placed on a building of 20-meter height, using the angle of elevation given for both the top and bottom of the tower. So here let us consider AB as the tower and the length of the tower, let it be x meters, and we know the height of the height of the building is 20 meter. The angle of elevation to the bottom of the tower and the top of the building is 45 degree, and the angle of elevation for the top of the tower is 60 degree. So first we must consider the triangle BCD and find the base CD. If we use this, then we can use again the perpendicular and the base to find the length of x, that is the height of the tower. So let us consider the triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle theta is 45 degree, BC is 20 meter. We need to find CD. So for this we will use the ratio tan, because tan theta, the ratio is tan 45 degree we will be using here. Tan 45, tan theta is perpendicular by base, that is opposite side by adjacent side. So here for this theta 45 degree, opposite is BC and the base is CD. So here BC by CD, and we know that tan 45 value is 1. So 1 is equal to the height of BC is 20 meter, 20 divided by CD. Now let us do the transposition to find the CD. CD goes to the left side, becomes 1 multiplied by CD, and it is same. CD is equal to 20 meter. So now we have got CD is equal to 20 meter. Okay, now if you observe the figure, we have got the base CD and we have BC as 20 and AB is x. We can find the value of x using the same ratio again, tan ratio, in triangle ACD. So now let us consider the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, the theta here is 60 degree, CD is 20 meter. So using this we will find the value of x. So here we are using the same ratio, tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base, and here perpendicular is AC by base is CD. Tan 60 value we know that it is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AC, we can see AC is the sum of two parts, that is AB plus BC divided by CD. So let us now mention the values of all. AB is x, BC is 20, CD is also 20. So now using the transposition, we have 20 goes to the left side, it becomes 20 root 3 is equal to x plus 20. Now again the transposition of 20 on the left side, we will be getting 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to x. What we can do is either you substitute the value of root 3 here, that is root 3 is equal to 1.732, or we can also take 20 common, and what remains in the bracket, root 3 minus 1 is equal to x. So here we can substitute the value of root 3, that is 1.732 minus 1 is equal to x. So using this, now we get 20 into 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732 is equal to x. When we multiply 20 to 0.732, we get 14.64 is equal to x. X is nothing but AB. AB is equal to 14.64 meters. And we know that AB is the tower. Therefore, the height of the tower, is 14.64 meter. This is it. This is the solution for the question from the chapter Heights and Distances. I hope this is clear to everybody. So I hope you all have understood what was taught today. This was very important question. It is the question from the sample question paper. So if you understood it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.